Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the compound type. The structure shown is an ester recognizable by the C is equal to O linkage connecting to carbon chains. Step 2. Identify the acid-derived portion. The carbonyl side, left of the oxygen, contains a 4-carbon chain CH3, CH2, CH2, C is equal to O dash, which comes from butanoic acid. The acyl group name is therefore butanoate. Step 3. Identify the alcohol-derived portion. The oxygen is connected on the right to CH2CH, CH3, 2, which is a 3-carbon unit with a methyl branch on the second carbon. This fragment derives from 2-methyl-1-propanol, isobutanol. The alkyl group name is 2-methylpropyl. Step 4. Combine the name in IUPAC ester nomenclature. The alcohol-derived alkyl group is named first, followed by the acid-derived name ending in -ate. Combining 2-methylpropyl plus butanoate is equal to 2-methylpropyl butanoate. Step 5. Verify the carbonyl carbon plus 3 additional carbons gives butanoic acid, 4 carbons total. The oxygen-linked carbon is a CH2 attached to an isobutyl framework, conforming to methylpropyl. No other interpretations are consistent with the structure shown. Therefore, the correct answer is 2-methylpropyl butanoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.